Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and this is Spring Sonata Indian Hawthorn from the Southern Living Plant Collection. I haven't covered a lot of Indian Hawthorn varieties on my channel. Over the last 10 to 20 years, we've seen a lot of leaf spot problems on them, and a lot of the leaves drop off during the summer, and they become less attractive shrubs to me over time in the landscape. Spring Sonata is actually a disease-resistant or leaf spot-resistant variety. Super impressed with this variety. There's another one that stays a little smaller than this one called Eleanor Tabor that I've also found to be extremely disease resistant. So if you're looking for, a perfect little low doming evergreen shrub that flowers in the spring in the full sun, it's almost like an azalea for the full sun, then either locating Eleanor Tabor, which is a pink, very low growing cultivar, or the Spring Sonata would be a great choice. I really like this plant, and it's just got really dark, rich green foliage on it. This variety can get 4 feet tall and maybe 5 feet wide. It can be kept smaller than that. It flowers in the spring. It's October now, and it's, for whatever reason, trying to put on a few flowers right now, but normally it flowers in mid-spring, and it flowers a little later than some other things, so typically the flowers aren't affected by late frost and that kind of thing. And then in the where those flowers are become purple berries, almost black berries by mid to late fall that are also kind of ornamental. The new foliage on it will be have a little bit of a reddish or maroon hue to it during the growing season. Just a really nice, super low maintenance evergreen shrub. They're hardy in zone 7 to 10. I would recommend in zone 7 that you spring plant Indian Hawthorns so that they have a full season to establish themselves before that first winter. They like moist, well-drained soil, so if you have clay soil, mound them up a little bit when you plant them. But this plant's just kind of a no-brainer. They're super insect and disease resistant. Deer really like Indian Hawthorns, so if you have deer issues, they're probably just a foundation plant for you. But if you have a full sun location, like I said, and you want just a perfect little doming shrub that you're not going to have to do any maintenance on really, then the Spring Sonata Indian Hawthorn would be a great choice for you. Here's a close-up of the some of the flowers. Of course, these are almost finished right here, but these are in the rose family, and you can see that typical 5-petal flower that we get in the rose plants in the rose family. But look how clean the foliage is on this plant. It's really beautiful. Here we are in October, and of course, like I say, it's evergreen. It's going to keep its leaves during the winter time. So, like I say, be on the lookout for the Spring Sonata Indian Hawthorn from the Southern Living Plant Collection. Thanks for watching.